Welcome to this session on PHP string functions, focusing on substring operations. Today, we are going to explore the power of the substr function and various techniques to manipulate substrings effectively within PHP. Get ready to master string manipulation in PHP. Let's start by understanding the basic syntax of the substr function. The function takes three arguments: the original string, the starting position, and an optional length. The syntax is substr string start length. The substr function extracts a portion of the given string, starting from the specified start position. The optional length parameter determines how many characters to extract. If the length is not specified, the substring will continue to the end of the string. Now let's see some basic examples of how the substr function works. First, we define a variable named text and assign it the value, hello world. In the first example, we are extracting characters from position 0 with a length of 5. This will return the substring hello. Next, we are extracting characters from position 6 to the end of the string, which returns the substring world. Finally, we are extracting characters from position 3 with a length of 2, which returns the substring low. Let's explore how to use negative indices with the substr function. Negative values allow you to count from the end of the string, instead of the beginning. For example, we define a string variable named text and set it to the value programming. To extract the last three characters, we use a start index of -3. The result is ing. Similarly, to extract the last 5 characters, we use a start index of -5 and a length of 5. The result is ming. Let's delve deeper into advanced negative operations with the substr function. We can combine negative start positions with both positive and negative lengths to extract specific portions of a string. For example, if we have a string variable str set to hello world PHP, using a negative start position of -7 and a positive length of 5 will extract world. Using a negative start position of -7 and a negative length of -4 will extract war. Lastly, extracting from position 6 with a length of -4 will also extract world. The negative length excludes characters from the end. Let's summarize the key takeaways and best practices when using the substr function. Always check the string length before extracting a substring to avoid errors. Utilize negative indices for operations that involve the end of the string, such as extracting file extensions. Also, it is a good practice to combine substr with other string functions like trim to clean and manipulate data effectively. Master the substr function for powerful string manipulation and unlock advanced operations with negative indices. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.